Welcome to a new video where we explore the world of e-commerce platforms. Today, we focus on two giants in the industry, Shopify and Volusion. Let's begin by introducing Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform that has been making waves in the online retail space. Shopify empowers businesses, both big and small, to set up their own online stores and manage them with ease. On the other hand, we have Volusion, a comprehensive e-commerce solution designed to help businesses grow and succeed in the online marketplace. Volusion offers a wide array of tools and features that cater to businesses of all sizes. While both platforms are quite robust and popular, they each have their own unique features, pricing plans, ease of use, and customer support. Understanding these differences can help you choose the platform that best suits your business needs. Now that we have a basic understanding of what Shopify and Volusion offer, let's dive deeper into their advantages and disadvantages. First, we'll examine Shopify, a platform known for its impressive features and user-friendly interface. One of the key strengths of Shopify is its vast selection of themes. This allows users to create a unique, visually appealing online store that aligns perfectly with their brand identity. Another standout feature is Shopify's robust App Store. It's a treasure trove of over 2,000 apps that can enhance your online store's functionality. Lastly, Shopify is highly praised for its excellent customer support, available 24/7 to assist users. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. A key drawback of Shopify is its transaction fees, which can eat into your profits if you don't use Shopify payments. Furthermore, some key features are only available through third-party apps, which can lead to additional costs and complexity. While Shopify shines in many areas, it's important to remember that it also has its limitations. Next, let's take a look at Volusion, a platform that prides itself on its comprehensive features and tools. One of Volusion's standout benefits is its wealth of built-in features. Unlike many other platforms, Volusion comes packed with everything you need right out of the box, eliminating the need for additional apps or add-ons. Plus, it's a platform that doesn't charge transaction fees, which can be a real cost saver for businesses with high sales volumes. Not to mention, Volusion's customer support is top-notch, providing high-quality service to address any issues you might encounter. On the flip side, Volusion does have a few downsides. It offers a limited number of free templates, which may limit your design options, and, notably, Volusion lacks a blogging platform, a feature that many businesses find crucial for boosting SEO and engaging with their audience. Clearly, Volusion has a lot to offer, but it's not without its drawbacks. Having explored both platforms, it's time to see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with pricing. Shopify offers a wider range of plans, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Volusion, on the other hand, limits the number of products you can sell on its lower-tier plans. In terms of features, both platforms offer a variety of tools for building and managing an online store. However, Shopify stands out with its vast App Store, offering a myriad of options for customization. When it comes to ease of use, both platforms are user-friendly, but Shopify's intuitive interface may be a bit more appealing to beginners. As for customer support, both platforms offer reliable service, though Shopify's round-the-clock support takes the cake. In conclusion, the right platform truly depends on the specific needs of your business. Whether you choose Shopify or Volusion, both platforms offer robust features that can help you succeed in the e-commerce world. Your choice will depend on your unique business needs and preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.